Hello viewers, welcome to Mojo for Industry, your go-to source for all things industry related. I'm Neha, your host for today's episode. I have a question. Are you a construction equipment enthusiast? If yes, this feature story is for you. Today, we bring you insights from industry leaders who recently gathered at the XCON 2023 exhibition in Bangalore. Our team had the opportunity to meet and talk to leaders like HD Hyundai Construction Equipment, Sani India, Worgen Group, Nova Formwork, Hailstone Innovations, and PowerBuild to find out what they believe will be the breakthrough technologies shaping their segments in 2024. Let's dive right in and hear their insights.
See, in construction equipments, like we are already seeing in automobiles, there is a EV wave which is already going on. You have CNG-powered vehicles, CNG-powered construction equipments are also there by some of the players. When you look at the absorption of the technology, I think the alternate fuels are going to be the next game changer. Hyundai globally is also working on these breakthrough technologies, we are on the developing the hydrogen excavator, which is a future excavators. We are also working on electric platforms. We are also working on robotics and AI technologies. So I think overall future looks at more advanced technology. We will actually wait for the right time and opportunity in Indian market where we can give them the affordable and competitive advanced technology which will be ready with us in due course of time globally. And when it is absolutely ready, you never know that we'll be there with that technology for Indian customers.
Sustainable environment and the environment-friendly equipment. Looking at the current environment condition in India, it is the need of the hour. So, as we did in IME, we had introduced many mining machinery which were environment-friendly, driven by electrical batteries or electrical power. So, here we have launched 4 more machines. Which are like one is the container handler for port usage, which 100% runs on battery. We have electric loader also we have launched over here, and we have electric excavator also. And one is a hybrid electric crane, which is runs through the trailing cable. So this is the advantage for this is one is like it is saving a lot of carbon footprints, reducing the same as per the country's requirement. Secondly, the biggest advantage is on the operation cost of the machine. Our end users will be saving close to 70 to 80% of the operational cost which they used to otherwise incur on diesel version.
I think there's a big shortage of skilled operators. So whatever I explained to you with our operations center, this is a digital construction tool, and which helps in faster construction, more accurate construction, getting a quality job. At the same time, keeping the road authorities and the owner informed of what is happening on the job site, sitting in his office. So these are some of the new technologies on the digital front. What do we do? On the machine front, I think we are the market leader in innovation as far as road machinery is concerned, and we'll continue to invest in this field and come with relevant technologies.
But if we talk about plastic formwork as such, it's a very thick plastic, first thing. So the reusability is way ahead. If you talk about if you're using plywood, you're using it for 6-7 times. Then again, you're cutting the same trees and again using plywood, again reusing it. So if we are giving, say, if you just compare it with even 100 repetitions, if it gives, you're at least saving about 15 to 18 times of reuse of plywood. So this is a very lightweight system, first thing. The locking is very, very easy. Yeah, it's like if you see these locks, it takes hardly a second to just unlock it and lock it. It's like a Lego system, the Lego blocks. So it's very easy for the laborers to actually use the system. In fact, what I would say is our system, you really don't need carpenters to work on it. But this particular formwork, you can say we generally talk about a ballpark figure of about 100 to 150 repetitions is what we say. But we've had customers who've come and told us that they've used 250 times, someone's used 300 times. There are people who've used 160, 170 times as well. And so on an average, I can say that easily it will give you 150 plus repetitions very easily.
3-4 years, we have been launching a lot of new products getting into mobile equipments, plant on wheel. What you see is a plant on wheel. A complete two-stage plant is done in a single cheeses, which can be moved from one place to another place, which can be quickly commissioned, and it will also help in terms of reducing the construction cost. It will reduce the cable cost. There are plenty of advantages for the plant on wheel, starting from a HSI called 1213, which is a horizontal shaft impactor. Then we have two types of cones. One is EC 2500, which is an hydraulic cone, and the EC 3500. Both are higher capacities and produces the stone aggregates in a shaped manner. The shaped manner helps the concrete industry, the construction industry, in terms of less cement consumption, and the bonding is better, and no cracks appear on the walls or on the concrete this thing. So that's where an IS we are meeting all the IS and NHA specification.
Technology which is expected to happen in next coming years will be a compact gearboxes. The size wise it has to be lesser, it takes lesser space in the equipments, and also better efficiency gearboxes. People are looking at it. We are manufacturing geared motors up to IE3. Now there is a scope to increase to IE4. If it is IE4, that will be a better efficiency motors. It will consume lesser power. So those is going to be of trend in the next coming years. As well as now we are going to introduce a planetary drives, which is up to 250,000 Newton meter torque. So which will be also be complement to this product, which will be planetary drives. Generally it is a compact series, so that will also help us to our goal.
Right.
Fascinating insights there, right? It's clear that the year 2024 holds tremendous promise across various industries. Stay tuned with Mojo for Industry as we continue to bring you the latest developments and insights from the forefront of the industry innovation.
For more updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.